Hi, I'm Lee from the Trafficker team, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create campaigns using the Trafficker plugin. Now, each campaign relates to an individual YouTube creator that you've sourced, and every time that they post a brand new video to their YouTube channel, the Trafficker plugin will find that video and it will create the web page post, and it will also automatically share to the social media platforms that you've connected the plugin to. So just briefly, once you have created the campaigns, this is the page that you will find, and it will list all of the different campaigns that you've created in a list form like this. And just talking through it, the left hand column is the name that you create, and as you hover over it, it gives you a few options where you can edit the campaign, you can delete, you can manually update it, and you can deactivate it. And as we move across, we've just got some basic information, really not really that important, but it's the type of YouTube source, whether it's a user or a channel. We've got the name of the YouTube channel, we've got the fan page, the Facebook fan page that you've connected it up to, the ad that you've connected to the videos, how often you're connecting the plugin to the YouTube channel, and also here the videos that have been grabbed and produced for you. So let's move across to add new YouTube source here, or you can click the button at the top. Either way, we get to a fresh campaign page, or we can add a new YouTube source. Now, first things first, on the right hand side, something that you may forget, but you want to select the type of category. You will obviously need to add categories if you haven't, and this will help your website be a bit more clear. You'll obviously have the campaign sections, and as long as you've selected it, every time there's a post created with this campaign, it will go into that category. So that's a good place to start. So obviously, you need to go to YouTube and you need to find a YouTube creator that's creating regular content that's congruent with the web page and the Facebook page that you're looking to create. So I've just found this one, Monthly Fowls. So we go back to the add new YouTube source and you give it a name. This can be anything, it's for your own benefit, so you can see which one it is. So I'm just going to put in the name of it. The next section is where we want it to automatically post. So we need to go ahead and connect our Facebook pages, Twitter, these pages. There are the other videos on the page that will show you how to connect to these sites. So if you need to find out how to do that, jump across those videos and watch how to connect the social media pages. So under Facebook, you can click here and draw down a Facebook page, and these options we can select, and it will automatically be shared to the Twitter, LinkedIn, or Tumblr page. So let's just choose a page that we've got there. We now go back to the YouTube channel, and you need to make sure you've clicked on the home page of the channel. Okay, so you need to find the video, click onto the username, and then click on home, and then get the URL, copy that. We then go back to the plugin and we paste that in there. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to make sure that this is selected correctly. Now, you'll see on this link it has user, sometimes it will say channel or something else. See what looks the best and choose user, go down to test URL and extract, and it will come up if it's okay or not. And if it isn't, change it until it comes up with the green text. Brilliant. So the next part of it is to choose the author. Now this will be under your user account. If you've created a variety of different names, you can select them. You've also got whether you want it to be a draft, a private, or a publish. Obviously, we want it to be published, so we make sure that that's selected, and then we can move on to the content per video. Okay, so the first one is the social media prefix. So here, this is the text that will be added when it's shared onto Facebook, Twitter, etc. So you can just write share if you like, and you could put in some hashtags if you wanted in this box here. Okay, you've got some options here for the video date position if you want that in. Next, you've got the video description position. Now, when you go to a YouTube channel, let's just blank that out. Let's just click on the latest video and wait for this to load. Let me just pause it. So pause. Brilliant. Okay, so we've got the YouTube description here. So this is all of the YouTube description that the creator has typed out and put in the description. Now we can have that on our page as well if we want. And if we do, we pull down this video date description, and here we can have, when it's posted onto our page, whether we want that description after the video, before the video, or we can turn it off completely. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it off completely so we don't have any of their description on the page. If we do want the text there, we do have the option of spinning the text. So I'll just open this up into another window. If you go to settings first, under settings, general settings here, we can click spin text. We can change that to built-in, and that will automatically change the text. So we've got 100% original text. It isn't just copied from the YouTube page. It's been slightly changed, and so it's spin to be slightly different. Likewise, we can automatically translate. So if we find a video that is in a different language, we can change the text so it is translated into the language we want. If we want it into English, we find a video, it's in French, for example, we make sure that we've got these changes so it's automatically spinning the content and it's translating it into the country that we want to. So that's really cool feature. Okay, so make sure you've got that changed in the settings. So let's just go back. Okay, so we're talking about the description. So, like we said, we can have the video description after the video, before the video, or we can disable it. I'm just going to click disabled for now. But here we've got an area where we can add content onto the website. So it's onto the WordPress site. Okay, this isn't onto the Facebook comment. That was here. So the Facebook and Twitter comment, that is there. This is what's going to be on your actual website. So you may want to add some content on every single video. So you might want to be promoting an item or trying to sell a product, or you might just want to give further information about something. And this information is going to go on every single video within this campaign. And to do so, we just click on here. We've got add content before the video, content after the video. So we can click here and we can add something there. We can put all different types of text and edit it, and bold and italic and center it. We can add links by clicking here. We can delete the links and all that sort of good stuff that you're going to get with a content editor. So once we've done that, we now get down to content overlays. This is where we're going to add our adverts that will be played over the video. Now there is a video that specifically talks about creating them, so I'm not going to go into this in much depth, but what we can do is once we've got these ads, we can select them. For instance, I'm going to select that one. Alternatively, I can either go to create overlay here, or I can click that and that will open up the window to create an advert specifically. So I've selected one there. Brilliant. The next thing is some of the settings for the campaigns. So what I'm going to do is we've got auto update. Now we want it to auto update, otherwise it won't update. Okay, this is how it will find the videos from YouTube. Now, what you can do is you select Auto Update, and then you select when you want the plugin to search for new videos. What I always recommend, 30 minutes. I think that's sufficient. I think 5 minutes is a bit too much. It means your website's going to be constantly searching all these different campaigns, and it might be a bit too processor hungry. 30 minutes to go and check YouTube. Is there a new video? Yes, no, and then do its thing. Okay, we've also got this button here, check. So if there is no video, when it goes to check, it will repost an old video. So you need to think about this. Do you want a video every 30 minutes? Or do you just want to see if there is a video every 30 minutes? Because if you check this, every 30 minutes it will post a new video. Okay, so I don't usually have this selected. I just have it selected to check for every 30 minutes, so it's very frequently checking, and I just have multiple campaigns, so my page is going to be populated with a lot of information on a regular basis. So now we've got remove links. So obviously if you do have the YouTube descriptions posted, you can remove the links, because obviously in descriptions people have links. So the first thing is you can remove the links if you want. Alternatively, you can replace the links with your own URL. So there may be links there, but you can change them to your own affiliate link, your own shop, whatever you want, okay? So that's a good feature. So once that's done, once you're happy with, you got the categories, you got the Facebook page, and YouTube channel is brilliant. You got everything done how you want it. You just click save. And once it's done, it will click source saved successfully. We click OK, and this takes us to the page, and what you can see here is monthly files. This is the one I just inputted. It's got the advert there, it's got the Facebook page, it's going to be check every 30 minutes. So far, no videos grabbed. So what's going to happen is that sometime in the next 30 minutes, it's going to search for new videos from this YouTube channel. And if there's a new video that's been posted within the last 18 to 20, 0 to 48 hours, sorry, last 2 days, it will post. If the videos are later than about 2 days, it won't post anything. It only posts new content, and that's on the first attempt. Obviously, once it's up and running, it will search, and is there something brand new? If there is, it will post it, okay? But in terms of the first video being posted, it needs to see if there's anything been posted in the last day and a half to 2 days max, okay? If there isn't, as I say, it will wait until new content is created. So what you can do, if you just want to populate your page with a new video straight away, the first one, for instance, you can click on manual update here. I'm just going to do that so I can post this video on here, and we can check out what happens on the Facebook page and also onto the main page of the site. This may take between 30 and 60 seconds. Just have to wait and see. Right, so that was quicker than I thought. We click OK. It's going to reload, and you can see it's now grabbed one video. So let's jump across to the site and see what we've got. Right, okay, so August the 1st, 2017. Let's have a look and see what the video was. Files compilation, July. That's it. Okay, so what we've got there is we've got the video there, and click on the page. We've got the video, it's posted it there, and what we're going to do is we're going to click play. Let's make sure. And after 2 seconds, this is an advert that I've inserted and that I can click on. Takes us to an Amazon affiliate link. But let's go to the Facebook page. Just refresh this. Scroll down. And there we go. We've got the update there. It's posted it onto the Facebook page. It's got the comment that I put. We're going to click on it again and it's going to take us directly to the page. Likewise, again, we're there on the same video. We'll just watch the first few seconds again and we can see the advert pops up again. So pretty simple to go through, not very difficult. And as we say, it's also updating every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes, the plugin will search all of my sources that I've created in there, and it will look for new videos, and it will just automatically populate both the Facebook and the page without me doing anything. So this page is going to go on complete autopilot forever. I've been Lee. I'll see you later.